Lesson 14 is things outside your house, like a car, a tree, a swing, a flower, grass is outside your house, grass, streets are outside your house, street, like a little path to the side of you, street, with S hands for street. Ground is like the flat ground in front of you, ground. Sky is the arched sky above you. You have a bent flat hand and you're starting on the side of the opposite side, and up you go over your halo space and down. Sky. And we have a sun out, down, back, around, spread the light. Sun. Moon, curled L hand at the I note, moon. Star, light, middle finger flicking your thumb as you move it up and to the side of the same side. Light. Outside, outside, right there on the side of your support hand, outside. If, just like that, if, and or, O to R, or. Okay, here is a question for you. Tell me in comments. See you in lesson 15. We are almost finished with this class. See you soon. Bye.